In the dark era, people are disconnected by ancient demons. We don't understand each other. We don't love each other and don't help each other as we should. We, the human race, are facing the misunderstood. But we are lucky. There are a group of superheroes, and they are coming to rescue the human race. They are the Connectors. The first of them, the psychology witch, Hyan. She's the founder of the team, in charge of researching. She has the power of knowledge and can read the book, which the other teammate cannot. The second, the quick supporter, Tao Wen. She's the fattest superhero in the team, always in charge of running and buying food. Oh, she's the strongest when fight with the greatest demon of them all, the Deadline. The Maycom Captain, Bao Long. She can sell teammate for a piece of cake, and pretty good at knowing a place to sell them. The Relation Hulk, Freehan. She can angry on everything, everyone, and cross the whole world if she don't like it. People really scared her, even the demon. So they must be in the relationship with her or scared. Design Tall, Jing Chung. Use Photoshop Hammer controlling the team, usually making super ugly pictures that make the demon laugh so hard. Then the demon go die. The Unvision Eyes, Furong Ling. She wants it all and know how to get it. She shows the teammate the way to go, the target, the shot, and where should the team go for dinner.
We are here to save the world.
The Connectors, assemble!